Okay, today I'm going to show you how to program with Ruby, actually starting from today. And we want to stop, actually call stop for the Lisp and SML. Yeah, I know that if we go it very deep for SML, it will be very hard. So we just stop there and let's see this one Ruby. And I remember at the beginning of this class, I already showed you that. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I want to check if I'm recording. So it's good. It's good. Okay, I'll just keep over there. Yeah, at the beginning of this class, actually, I made a plan to learn Ruby together. So also this one, this is one of the assignments. So you should be good for Ruby, and you should be able to have this one. You should have this one, right? It's called RubyMine. This is one IDE, which is very good. And also, you see, actually, we benefit from being either a student as you or as an educator for me. So it's free for us, and it's good. Be sure to install this one if you cannot find it. So here, the first thing I want to show you is how to delete a project. Actually, for the Ruby programming, for all the stuff is organized by the folder, or we can say by projects. This is if you ever used NetBeans IDE, you should be familiar with this kind of thing, right? In NetBeans for Java, we need to have packages, projects, packages, blah, 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 blah. But here, you see this is a project. Actually, I make it like hello world, and also we can have some Ruby file. You see here .rb, the extension specify that this file is especially is used for Ruby programming. So let me show you how to remove this one, and then I'll create again. So actually this is very easy. You see, just print some string hello world, like what we did when we first learned a language, programming language, and also this is to print some numbers. So here, if we want to remove a project or delete a project, first you need to make sure that you close this project, and also you need to find the folder. So for me, I make this folder as my working folder. So if I want to delete this project, I just delete this folder accordingly. You see, just delete it. So then if we go back to Ruby, actually it will not be there. Hello world, this project will not be here. And then how to create a project. You see, we have a lot of options, Rails, application. Actually, this is for the HTML or online web page programming. So we're not going to touch this one. We want to learn some basic stuff about Ruby. So here you can give the hello world, right? Give the name for this project. You don't have to do anything else. Actually, first, maybe you need to make sure that you install the Ruby. You see the Ruby installer, and actually you can go to this one. Let me show you. Ruby installer. I don't want it to no. I don't want it then to install again. So let me show you the link. I just copy the link, and then actually already installed, and you can go to here, right? So it's no. Let me go step by step. RubyInstaller.org, and then click, and then download. We have some options. This is a version 2.2.3, so it works, right? Yeah, be sure to put this one on your web browser, and this is a URL how to download the Ruby installer. And then after you install Ruby, then you can find, you see, yeah, you need to find it. I use this directory under C drive Ruby 22 and -x64, and then yeah, you can find this one. If you do default, actually you will go to the for the SDK will be located under this path. So we just choose to make it simple, we just choose the empty project, and then oh, I should already delete it. Let me close, and then it's already delete. Oh, whew, my fault. So because I already delete, and then actually just now that one was the one that I created just now, right? It's not from before, right? Long time ago. So here, how to create a file? Yeah, actually, it's kind of a Ruby program file. So we just do this one, right? So we can make it like remember the extension for Ruby program file. The extension is RB. So here we have some empty file, right? So here, if we want to, like what we did for our first time to learn a programming language, we want to have hello world. Okay, and exclamation mark, and then this one. And also here you can see we can write, right? Yeah, we can write. So here we get the print, and also maybe as a default setting, you see actually it's not viewable for the toolbar. It's not viewable. That means that you see the green icon is not there. So if you want it, you can do this, and then if you want to write, you just click the green arrow triangle. Yeah. So actually we have two ways to print something. We have another way, and let me show you and also still I want to use this one, and I'll put my name here, and if I write, you see for these two actually on two different lines, because puts it will add a break line, a return, go to next line. So suppose let's try this one, print. You see this one, and then you can see what's happening here. Actually the two strings are printed on the same line, so that means print for this method only can print this string without a return symbol. Okay, and also something like this. Maybe let's try this one. 8 plus 1, 2 times 7 or something. What this number should be? 2 times 7 should be 14, and then plus 8 should be 22, right? So we should get 22 here. And also there is another way. Actually, we can have another way. Let me show you. It's called IRB console. So it's interactive Ruby console. So that means you see here, when we do not put puts, and then we can get the number, the result showing directly. So you see here, we can get 22, right? And how about we want to switch back? We can do this one. And You see here. Yeah, we go back to this is like a batch file. It can run a couple lines together, even can run a Ruby file at one time. Okay, and also I want to say something about, why do we need to learn Ruby, or why do we need to, at the beginning, you see from the beginning we learn Fortran, Lisp, and XML and Ruby. Actually, for our plan, we were about to learn more. You see, I already let you install Python and also Perl, but I just pick Ruby, and because Ruby is good for OOP, object-oriented programming, and also it can do dynamic types. Later, in the later lectures, I'll show you how to use Ruby to do those stuffs. And I want to say for some languages, even some languages may be very old, for Lisp or XML. Yeah, I want to say something. Maybe you cannot use it for now, like, somebody say, for Java or for C++, that will be enough. But in this class, actually I designed this class like this. I want you to practice different languages. I want you to find some, for different languages, they can have the basic stuff, actually the basic elements. They should have some common stuff, right? So actually here, maybe later when you get a job, you will not use like Lisp or XML immediately for your job, but it can be useful because this way it can let you practice your mind, right? Yeah. Somebody also say that on our university class, maybe we do not learn something to use it directly, but we practice our mind. We learn the way to think. We learn the way how to do something, right? Okay, but definitely later you will find out that Ruby is very useful. Okay.